Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your bacon crispy. Achieving perfectly crispy bacon is simpler than you might think, and it starts before you even turn on the heat. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your bacon cooks evenly and gets that desirable crunch every time. Get ready to transform your breakfast experience with these straightforward techniques. Let's dive into the details and get cooking. For pan frying, lay your bacon in a single layer in a cold pan. This allows the fat to render slowly, preventing the bacon from burning before it crisps. Cook on medium-low heat, turning the strips often to ensure even browning. As the fat renders, pour off any excess to keep the bacon from boiling in its own grease. This method yields beautifully crisp results. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange bacon on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows air to circulate, promoting crispiness. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, but keep a close eye on it, as cooking times vary. This hands-off approach is great for cooking larger batches and ensures consistently crisp bacon with minimal effort. Once your bacon reaches your desired crispness, carefully transfer it to a plate lined with paper towels. This helps absorb any remaining grease, making it even crispier as it cools. Let it rest for a couple of minutes before serving. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video. Enjoy your perfectly crispy bacon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.